Hi guys, so today I wanted to show you how you can make lyric videos just using software on your Mac. So this is only for Mac users, I'm sorry, but I've got a lot of questions on if PowerPoint will work. I'm not familiar with PowerPoint honestly, but I'm sure it would work very similarly. You may not have the same effects, but you might be able to create a very similar product. So basically all you need to do is go to Keynote. Now Keynote came free on my computer and I'm not sure why. Some of you guys have been telling me you don't have Keynote. Try OpenOffice. You guys can use that. However, I couldn't tell you the specifics of it. So hopefully you have Keynote. If not, I think it's only $20 in the Apple Mac store, or I guess it's their App Store. So let's just get started with the tutorial. Basically, I'm going to open up a new Keynote presentation and go to Document and change the slide size by going to Custom Slide Size. And you want to go to 1350 by, I believe it's 760, and click OK. And then I'm going to change the background of this. Now, if you want it just to be a plain background, you guys can do that. However, if you want to overlay it in a video, or if you want to overlay it on, a moving movie, then you want to change it to a green screen and just overlay that by using the green screen effect, which I will show you how to do that. If not, you guys can just change the background to whatever you would like. So if you want to do the green screen option, you want to go here to Format, and instead of Image Fill, you want to do Color Fill, and you want to change this to a bright, obnoxious green. And now you can get started. So I'm just going to go with Let It Go, just because I know the lyrics. But you guys can obviously do this for whatever song you want. So you would just add the text. So and what I recommend is going and finding the lyrics, and it kind of puts it in little lines, and that's like when the beats are. However, there is some editing you're going to have to do to make sure that this goes with the sound of the music, which I'm not going to go into because that would take forever. But basically, let me just show you an example. So I'm just going to change this font to just something a little bit better. Let's see, it doesn't have to be crazy, just you want it to be readable, and then you want to increase the size of your font dramatically. So I'll do like, it's gonna let me. Okay. And then you go here to Animate and add an effect for build-in. You guys could do whatever you would like. So I'm gonna do drop, and you want to click on that. And instead of by object, you want to go by word. And you can change the duration here, which is going to help it kind of go with the beat of the music. So let me preview this. So the snow glows white on the mountain tonight. So it has to go a little bit slower. So you guys can change that. And to do this, let me just show you like a quick little preview, I guess. We'll go to, let's see. It's gotta be Adina, guys. And you guys can just like see if it goes with the beat of the music, if that makes any sense. Okay, it's about the same kind of beat as her, and you have to have like a musical ear, so you guys know how to do this. If not, you can, I guess, learn music. I'm not even sure. Okay, anyways, let's get back into the animation. So you want to make sure that when you have this animated, like we do the drop, you want to go here to build order and make sure instead of on click, you want to say after transition. And then you want to do a build out. So add an effect, and you could do whatever you really like. So do something like that all at once, and build order should be after build one. So now when you play this, it'll go like that. And then you want to add a new slide and do the next part of it. And again, change the format to be a bright green, not a footprint, to be seen. Oops. Delete this, change the font. You guys know how to do this. Make it cool. And you can, be more creative than I am. I'm just doing this real fast so that this video is not going to take forever. Okay, and then go ahead to the animate, build in, add an effect, do whatever your little heart desires. I feel like the appear and move is the best way to do this, so we'll do fly in, and then you want to do, oh, that's not going to work. We'll do typewriter. Okay. And then you want to go to build order and after transition. And then you could do a build out again and do whatever you would like. And then again, for the build order, you want to do after build one. Okay, so now when we play this, and you guys can be way more creative than I am, so just keep that in mind. Then what you're going to do is go to, let's see, File, Export to QuickTime. And you want to change both of these to 0. And you can keep it at 720p, it's pretty good quality. And save this as whatever you would like. And once you've done that, what we can do is go into iMovie and import this. See if I can find that on here. I've got so much stuff going on. I might just have to import this. Okay. And I think it's to my desktop. Not sure if that actually saved. Let me try this again. Oh, it's in Documents, that's why. Okay. Save this to the desktop now. Okay, so now I'll be able to find this. And you want to import this, and you can put it over top of your movie here. And then you want to click on this, and instead of cutaway, you want to do green screen, blue screen. So now it will overlay on top of your video. You guys can see this. This is a horrible video to be doing it on. Let me find something a little bit better for you guys. If I have anything, I'm not sure. So you could do like it over a video, like say you're singing or whatever, or you could just find some stock footage, or even just a little, picture. So let me just put a picture in here just for the heck of it. And then we'll have our little thing we just made. And again, green screen, blue screen. And it would just overlay on top of that, if that makes sense. And there's a lot of editing that has to be made. You can see that there's a lot of gapping here. And you can edit this just by splitting it and making it go with the beat of the music. So there is a lot of work that goes into this, but it is, cool if you get it right. So once that disappears, you can split that. Split this. You guys kind of get the point of this. just have to edit this in. And make it go with the beat of the music. That makes sense. And then you can just import the music by going to your iTunes and say you have Let It Go, which I personally don't have it. But, you know, you can import this just by grabbing it and dragging it in, just like you would any normal song. And then just make sure that it goes with the beat of the music. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry I was a little bit rambly. And if you guys have any questions about this, let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye!